Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a custom domain to Firebase hosting. All right, let's begin. Start by logging in to your Firebase project and your domain registrar in the same browser. In Firebase, open your project dashboard, go to Build, then select Hosting. Here, click on Get Started and select Next a few times. Then you will see your current default subdomains. Click Add Custom Domain. Now go to your domain registrar and copy your domain name, paste it into Firebase, and click Continue. Firebase will show the DNS changes you need to make. Next, go to your domain registrar's DNS settings and add the required DNS records. Once done, return to Firebase and click Verify. Once the DNS changes propagate, Firebase will confirm that your domain is connected. You may see a message about minting an SSL certificate, which can take some time. When the certificate is active, your site will load securely through your custom domain. So, that's basically how you can add a custom domain to Firebase hosting. That's it for this video. Thanks.